There are many products available to choose tool set for car, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tool set for car from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Mechanics Toolkit and Socket Set. This toolkit is great for those who are looking for a varied set of wrenches and sockets, since this set features 57 different sockets and 10 combination wrenches. DEWALT tools have direct torque technology which prevents rounding. All tools are labeled to allow for easy identification. The fantastic aspect of these ratchets is that they have a tooth count of 72, which allows you to work in tight spaces since it only requires a 5-arc swing. We also love the durable case that these tools come in, making it a great emergency toolkit. For car repair, this kit can easily fit in the trunk or behind the seat and will be out of your way until you need it. Number 2. DEKOPRO 228-piece Socket Wrench Auto Repair Tool Combination Package. If you are looking for a standard toolkit with all of the pieces you may need at a reasonable price, think this is the best toolkit for car repair or to just have in your vehicle, just in case. We recommend it because it provides a variety of tools, including a hammer, ratchet, various pliers, hex keys, wrenches, and sockets. We also love the simple design with easy-to-grip handles and durable material. It has corrosion protection thanks to the chrome finish, and when you open the carrying case, all of the tools are available, easy to identify, and easy to access. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN Home Tool Set. For variety, we recommend this as the best toolkit for car repair or just general repair needs. This kit contains everything you will need, including a hammer, screwdrivers, various pliers, a set of ratchets as well as various sockets and screwdriver adapters. The handle of all tools provides a comfortable grip to make for easy work. We love how quickly it is to identify the socket sizes as they are properly labeled and they are easy to access from the case. This is also a great toolkit to have around the house since it can easily be tucked away in an easy-to-access place that is out of the way. We also recommend this for a first-time driver since it is easy to use and has all the necessary tools. Number 4. Hi-Spec 42% Blue Household DIY Tool Set. If you are just looking for something small that isn't too overwhelming but will have enough of what you need, this toolkit is the best toolkit for car repair. This simple toolkit includes a hammer, pliers, scissors, both a Phillips and flat-head screwdriver, and measuring tape. What we love most of all is that this kit comes with an adaptable screwdriver with 12 precision bits and 16 standard bits, so you can deal with various fasteners without needing so many tools. We also like that this comes in a small and well-organized case so you can fit it under your car seat or place it in your trunk without taking up any space. Number 5. Milwaukee Ratchet Socket Set. If you are looking for an expansive and reliable ratchet set, we recommend this best toolkit for car repair since it contains 106 pieces, mostly made of sockets. These sockets are varied with square, flat, and hex socket heads so you can use them for various applications. Although this set is on the pricey side, many who have purchased it find it to be worth the investment since it is a toolkit that will last. We love how organized the case is, allowing you to easily identify the socket you need. The set is also made of durable chrome vanadium steel so it will last and stand up to hard jobs. The only negative about this set is that the ratchets don't have a socket release button.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.